I cooked egusi for the first time. Maybe Nigerians should not watch this, or anyone who knows how to cook egusi, because I did teach myself how to cook egusi. Okay, maybe I did watch some videos on how to cook egusi because I tasted my friend's egusi and it was so good. It was so good, and I was like, is it my friend? Okay, someone from the choir. Yes, I did taste egusi and it was so good. I decided to make egusi, so I ordered the ingredients. Which ingredients? I ordered egusi seeds. Those are the main. That's the main ingredient. Yeah. So maybe just give me a few minutes and see how I cook this egusi. Okay, now it's just like 5 or almost 6. Yeah, and watch how I cooked egusi for the first time. Was this my first time? I don't remember. I think so. Yes. So I don't think that I should go ahead and explain how I cook this egusi because you can see it. I don't even. How many ingredients did I use? I used palm oil. I used onion, red pepper. Yes, and I used chicken bouillon, black pepper, egusi. I think that's it, and water and spinach. That's it. And when you watch some Nigerians cooking egusi, you see that they put some smoked fish, crayfish, bomo. Okay, now let me not go far because I don't want anyone to say anything in the comment section, to say anything bad. But I'm from East Africa and we don't eat egusi, and most of the people don't know what egusi is. So, and me being someone who I really love food and I like exploring different types of food, so I decided to cook egusi because I tasted it and it was so good. I said, let me learn how to cook it. And yes, here I am. Well, maybe Nigerians can give me advice. Well, yeah. Okay, let me pause. Because I'm talking too much. This egusi is just so delicious. It's just so good. That's why I'm talking too much. Okay, I will just say something. In East Africa, we don't have okay, if I said this, East Africans will attack me. But we don't have like some kind of food like crayfish, this and that. So most of the people, we don't eat like cow skin. No, we don't. So we don't have so much of the things Nigerians have or West Africans, and that's why you're not going to see me adding those in my food. And yes, but there's a time my friend, someone I know gave me crayfish, and I decided to add crayfish in my egusi, and it was really good. So I think if I can get most of the ingredients West Africans use, I think maybe my egusi can really be more good, more nicer than this. But even this one was really good. Honestly, West Africans, you eat good food. So you can go in the comment section and tell me what I did wrong. But I'm committed to trying different types of food from all over the world, starting from West Africa. So even if you say something bad in the comment section, it's not going to stop me from cooking West African food. I'll cook it and show you if I can. Yeah. But my egusi is just so simple and it was really nice. Really nice. Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're still watching up to here and if you're from West Africa and you're still watching until this time and you're not annoyed, you're a good person. But if you're so annoyed, you're still a good person. It's just that you like your food how it's cooked and someone is cooking it in a different way. So, but if you are to rate me from maybe 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, how many scores can you give me? I think I tried and it was really good, and I did cook it many times after this time. And yes, egusi is really nice. West Africans eat good food, but yeah, it was really nice, and I encourage everyone who has never tasted it to taste it because it's so good. Anyway, thank you so much. Maybe you can subscribe. Yeah, I think so. Maybe you can subscribe. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. May God keep on protecting you.